Have you ever found an amazing altcoin only to find it isn't listed on your exchange? I've been there. I've seen coins take off while I sat on the sidelines. But that ends today because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set yourself up on MEXC so you can reach new listings fast, keep more of your gains with low fees, and buy the tokens you actually want. By the end, you'll be signed up, funded, and ready to trade. And yes, there's a special RankFi offer in the description that makes this even more valuable. I don't share just any platform. I've reviewed over 65 crypto exchanges on my website and this channel, and my goal is to build the largest database of honest, unbiased crypto exchange reviews. So if you want access to 10x, 50x, or 100x altcoins, MEXC makes this possible because they list over 2,800 cryptocurrencies, which is more than most of the other crypto exchanges combined. So a lot of the trending altcoins get listed there before they get to the bigger exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, if they even get there at all. Now, it's one thing to list lots of coins. It's another thing to be a reliable platform. MEXC combines deep liquidity with very low trading fees and fast executions on your trades. So every time you click buy, that trade is going to go through quickly. And it's a platform trusted by over 40 million users worldwide. Now, some users do have issues online if you look at the reviews, but I found most of them are because people are trying to access it from a prohibited country. So these are the countries that are not supported according to their terms of service, even though it's no KYC. Speed is also important in crypto. And MEXC minimizes delays on all fronts. Account creation takes just a couple minutes, deposits can clear instantly, and buying can be as simple as one click, whether you're a pro or beginner who wants to use the quick convert feature. On top of that, MEXC lists tokens very quickly, like I mentioned. For example, this is a very popular token right now, competing with Hyperliquid, and it's already on MEXC. If you want to pay with fiat, there's over 100 payment methods, Apple Pay, bank transfers, and a peer-to-peer marketplace. And if you don't want to pay high fees on that, you can always just deposit crypto for free from another local exchange. Trading fees are low with 0% maker fees and 0.05% taker fees. They change these fees relatively frequently, and right now it's the lowest I've seen after years of using this platform. So in short, MEXC gives you reach and speed with low friction, more than 2,800 coins, and an interface that works for beginners and pros with low fees, high liquidity, and everything you need. So to actually create your account, I recommend clicking the link in the description. So you go to the official website or just go to the sign up page, enter your email and password. Make sure to enter referral code MEXC RankFi to get additional discounts on top of that. And then MEXC will send a 6-digit code to your email or phone, enter it, and your account is live. You should land on the main dashboard, and then you have just 2 quick steps before you can start trading. In the top right, click your profile, then click identification, and then verify your KYC credentials. Once you start the verification, you're going to choose your country and ID type, and then upload clear front and back photo, and take a quick selfie if requested. Submissions usually clear in about a day. And the reason you want to do this is in order to unlock higher withdrawal limits, access to cards, and some extra payment methods if you want to use this to buy crypto. KYC is technically optional on MEXC. As you can see, my account is unverified and I can still deposit and withdraw crypto and make trades without going through KYC. I just can't unlock the fiat trading, so I do have to deposit crypto from somewhere else. Step 3 is to fund your MEXC wallet. From the top menu, choose wallet here and then click deposit. And then you can select how you want to add your funds. So if you've gone through the KYC, you can click on the quick buy and sell. And here you'll see peer-to-peer, fiat deposit, bank transfer, and third party, where you'll find a bunch of different fiat currencies and local deposit options. If you have crypto, you're going to open up this menu and click on-chain deposit, and then you can deposit USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, or another coin from any exchange or wallet that you have. Now, when selecting a coin, make sure your deposit address matches the net worth that you're sending from. You can always start small with a test transaction of $5 to make sure it goes through before sending larger amounts. Once you send the crypto to your address, you're going to see it show up in your spot account. Now, quick checkpoint. Think back to every time you've spotted a coin but couldn't buy it because you didn't know where. If your wallet is funded right now, that problem no longer exists. From this point on, when you find tokens, you can buy them on MEXC because it will probably have the token you're looking for. So now let me show you how to actually buy cryptocurrencies as easily as possible. From the top menu, click Spot and then click Spot again. Go to the search bar here and then search the token that you're looking for. Most of the trading pairs are in USDT. So if you deposited ETH or something like that, you're going to need to trade it for USDT first. But for example, let's say you're searching Sol, ADA, Aster, which is a new popular coin right now, or just Bitcoin, we're going to stick with that. So now in this available button here, we can see we have 0 balance available. However, there's $10 in my account. So we just click that button and go from our fiat account to our spot account and transfer those funds so we can actually trade. Now you see I have 10 USDT available. If you're using any of your accounts, that's how you transfer funds to fiat, futures, spot, back and forth for free. On the right side of the screen, you have the order panel where you can place your orders. So you can enter a limit order. If you want to wait for the price that you want, you can click buy Bitcoin. And now you see we have an open limit order. That's going to fill once the price reaches my target. If I want to close it, then we can just cancel it from here and then it's gone and that $10 is back. If you want to do a market order, that's just going to fill immediately and it'll take the best price from my order book right here. Now, keep in mind, if you're going to be trading some of the small altcoins, just pay attention of the trading volume. You probably don't want to put market orders here because you might not get the best prices. This is where you definitely want to use limit orders and just be aware of the volume. On something like Bitcoin though, that has over $1 billion in 24-hour volume, market orders are more okay than a small altcoin. The other way you can buy cryptocurrencies, if this is too confusing for you, go down to the spot menu from here and click convert. In this area, it shows 0 fees, instant execution, and you can just buy any of the cryptocurrencies with a click conversion. So I have 10 USDT available still, and then we can preview the conversion and it'll show you how much you're getting, what the fees are, and then you just click convert if you want that to go through, which is an easier way to buy crypto if you're not comfortable with the advanced trading interface. However, if you want to place limit orders, then you do have to do it in this area. And if you want to trade futures with leverage and you're an advanced trader knowing what you're doing, you can open the futures tab and it's the same thing here. Just remember to transfer funds into your futures account and then you'll be able to trade with leverage. The fees are a little different. And then you can also open short positions and play with more advanced settings. Again, this would only be saved for advanced users. Be very, very, very careful when trading with leverage because you can lose all your money. There's also DEX Plus, so if you click on this here, it's going to ask you to agree to the terms and conditions, and you can trade tokens directly on-chain without having to learn how to use a decentralized exchange and crypto wallet and all of that. So if I just click a token here, then you can also trade millions of extra cryptocurrencies here that aren't available on these centralized exchanges. And this is a new feature that lots of exchanges are starting to roll out. That makes it easier for you to trade tokens on-chain and access way more coins. If any of that is too confusing, go to the top menu here on futures, click demo trading, and here you can play on a completely practiced account with fake money so you can get used to the interface. So you can just click this button here, and there we go, we have 50,000 USDT in play money. And of course, MEXC has tons of other features like airdrop plus, launch pool, trading competitions, and more stuff that I can't go through in this video. But if you need anything else, leave a comment down below and I can make a tutorial. All of this is also available on the mobile app. If this video helped, tap like so more crypto investors can find it, and subscribe for more useful crypto tutorials and reviews.